Hey guys, what's up? We are at SeaWorld Orlando. It has been a while. We're gonna go check out the Seven Seas Food Festival and see what's up for the year. Over here by the Dolphin Nursery is gonna be the start of the Seven Seas Food Festival. We got some little decorations over here with the Mexican market, Beats and Bites market, all the markets that are listed here. And over here by the entrance, you have the map. So it lists here, 1 is the Flamecraft Bar, 11 is the Brews, 16 Asian Market. It labels everything here for you. They also have a map in the booklet here. I'll show you in just a minute. 15 item package is $89.99. 10 item package $74.99, and they have a past member exclusive. You can purchase a 15 punch lanyard and get 3 additional punches and 1 free gift. And over here by the entrance is also a booth that you can buy one of the lanyards at. There are some at the booths that you can do it, but it's going to list all the food items. Some aren't available yet, but it will list the dates they are available, such as the Euro fries are not available till March. They do also have these cool little checklists that you can check off the boxes whenever you're done. And then also the food items, we'll show you a photo of them. We got some stilt walkers over here, some Seven Seas guys. Hey guys, hello. Booth 1's gonna be the Flamecraft Bar. So you have 12 different brews and you got some specialty cocktails. Outside of Flamecraft, looks like we got some live entertainment.
And I'll sing with all mine. She said, "Boy, you're a Christian child." Said, "Man, I am tonight, walking in my fun, walking with my feet to feet of a beat."
We got booth 2, which is Hops and Dreams. We got a Perny Haze, Pernicious, Blue Raspburst, and a Twist. Booth 3 is going to be frozen cocktails, blueberry margarita, pina colada, strawberry daiquiri, mango daiquiri. We got some hard ciders, which is going to be woodchuck, blueberry cider, green apple cider, and then we got a peach cobbler. Booth 4, Caribbean Market, we got chicken pinchos, beef ropa veje, Jamaican beef patty, coconut rice and beans, and pineapple upside down cake. And did you guys see how I was saying some stuff is not available till March or April? I'm not sure why that is, but yeah, check out the dates. Make sure you guys know some stuff may not be available. Maybe peruse online before you get here. Italian Market, booth 5, we have penne marinara, fettuccine alfredo, and spaghetti bolognese, chicken parmesan, meatballs, and tiramisu. We also have a frozen Aperol Spritz. Booth 6, we have hula hula chicken, kalu pork, teriyaki chicken sliders, tuna poke bowl, Hawaiian macaroni salad, frozen Polynesian summer for the cocktail, big wave and longboard island for the craft brews. Booth 7, North Atlantic Market. So we have corn fritters, chowder fries. That's interesting. It's going to be fries topped with chowder, green onion, hush puppies, fish and chips, lobster roll, a blueberry tart. Specialty cocktails, we got a moose juice, North Atlantic Orchard. Coaster cocktails, booth 8. I feel like we see this every time. But yeah, it's a goldie but goodie. Pipeline, Mako, Kraken, and Icebreaker in the little pouches. Booth 9, which is the old-fashioned milk stand. So we got Razzle Dazzle Raspberry Cupcake, Chocolate Cupcake, Velvet Bliss, and Southern Charm. The last two do contain alcohol, so 21 plus. We got some specialty cocktails, which is the White Russian Espresso Martini. And then we got some strawberry milk, chocolate milk, vanilla milkshake, and chocolate milkshake. So if you like your dairy, come on over here to the milk stand, booth 9. All American Market, booth 10. We have barbecue pulled pork mac and cheese, lobster mac and cheese, and smoked brisket mac and cheese. One of the things that's going on right now is the barbecue pulled pork mac and cheese. We got chicken wings and apple bites and ice cream. Alright, we have booth 11, which is the brews, and they got these really cool cans over here. They got this like strawberry shortcake ale. And look at this, we got pink chickens, guys. We got a little racehorse over here, and these are all brewed over in Wesley Chapel, if you guys remember, pretty close to us. Right, we have another map. This one's over by Mako. So yeah, like I said, if you get lost, if you don't know where the food's at, here's where the maps are that you can check it out. They also do have live concerts. They're usually on Friday and Saturday and Sundays, so you can check those out. Booth 13, we have feta fries, gyro fries, and then another type of pastry here. We got grilled lamb chop and baklava. Booth 12, we have Mediterranean wine. So we have all these different kind of wines. I'm not going to even try to pronounce them, but there's 2 whites and 2 reds. Wine prices are running about $11 over here. Over at the Brazilian market, booth 14, we have a Brazilian black bean stew, creamy shrimp stew, and a layered mashed cassava. Some of these, once again, are not available till March or April, but we do have the Brazilian black bean stew that's available now, and the Trosco steak, which is available, as well as the cheese bread, a popular favorite here, that's available now. Indian market, booth 15, we have butter chicken, tandoori chicken, chicken tiki masala. We have some slow cooked lentils. For specialty cocktails, we have the South Sea Swizzle and the mango mojito. Alright, next we have booth 16, which is Asia. So they have General Tso chicken, Kung Pao chicken, sweet and sour chicken, and they have a shrimp and broccoli and a fried cheesecake. Inside Waterway Grill, we have booth 17, so we got a bunch of different brews, IPAs, we have specialty cocktails, margarita, mules, we have a bourbon straight daisy and everything like that, and also they have the food things indoors here too, so you can take a load off while you're exploring the booth 17. And over here by the Waterway Grill, we have booth 18, which is Lucky Cat. So they have a Mai Tai, Lychee Martini, Golden Voodoo, Sapporo, different brews here, wine. Looks like the cocktails here are running about $15, brews about $13, and the wine is about $11 again. And the Pretzel Kitchen also has a booth inside of it, booth 19, but they didn't have a sign up, but they're just offering mixed brews and all that. Booth 20 is a German market, so we have bratwurst slider, bratwurst hoagie, bratwurst melt. Some of the stuff is until March or April, but right now we got the bratwurst slider, chicken schnitzel sandwich, churro pretzel on a stick. That sounds kind of good. The Riesling Refresher and German Sparkling Strawberry Punch are your cocktails, and we got the Incline Riesling for your wine. We got booth 21, which is the beer garden, so let's see what kind of brews they got.
Well, definitely back before that.
Got Midnight Delight, Blue Raspberries, Milk Stout, Mango Cart, High Life, PB&J Mixtape, Shandy, and they got Beer Float or Coca-Cola Float, and then ice cream. Interesting combo on that one, but yeah. Booth 22, back again. We have the Gulf Coast Marcos. We have shrimp and grits, shrimp gumbo, jambalaya, pork boudin bowls, bananas Foster beignets, hurricane, French quarter, purple haze. Mexican market, booth 23. So we have El Pastor tacos, carne asada tacos, chicken asado tacos, elote corn dip with tortilla chips, and mini churros. Right next to Expedition Odyssey, we have booth 24, which is Cantina. So we have hot honey paloma, a mango drink, we have tequila sips, 1 ounce pour of your choice of mezcal, blanco, reposado, and anjo. So we also have a wine, and we have an agua fresca. Those are pretty good. I haven't tried any, but I do hear they are pretty good, so I may try some of that later. So we have a mango and a watermelon. Booth 25 at the Glacier Bar, they have craft beers, so they have No Main's Mexican, High Life, Woodchuck, Perro Seco, Shams Irish, and Citra Blonde. Looks like the prices range from a 20-ounce souvenir Pilsner, $18. Refill on that's going to be $17, and a 16-ounce is going to be $13. And right before we hit the Irish market, I haven't been here in a little bit, but the Iceberg kind of like a retail store. As you hit the exit, turns into a little like Guinness store with like we got rugby jerseys. We have tomato relish, stout sauce, little foodstuffs, Guinness shirts. Are you toucan to me? Guinness shirts, little hoodies, a jacket. Jacket is $116. The hoodies, $100. Yeah, so oh, they got some cologne spray, Patrick cologne spray. Ooh, very nice. Wonder how that smells. Irish Market, booth 26. We have Guinness cheese nachos, corned beef nachos, pub nachos, Reuben egg roll, Bailey's cheesecake, Irish Gold, and Nutty Irishman. And also over on the weekends, they do hold some concerts here. They got, I believe, the 90s boy bands coming on up. They have Click 5 and all sorts of stuff. So if you want to check it out, go to the website. You can upgrade your seating for an additional fee, I believe. But yeah, come and check it out. It's going to be over in the stadium over here. Pipeline, we have booth 28, which is a Beats and Bites market. We have a mushroom Swiss truffle burger, bacon blue cheeseburger, breakfast burger, Chicago dog, truffle aioli fries, and a turtle burger. Also over here at the stadium, you can see the concerts for this weekend. Going to be the Click 5 and Warrant. Both are going to be starting at 7 p.m. Also over here is the reserve seating check-in. So over here you can check in for the reserve seating, which is over at the front. Very nice views if you're a fan of the bands. That they got is a Traveler's Cafe over by Pipeline. Let's see what they have. Alright, so they have 12-ounce cocktails starting at $15. So they have the Gunner, vodka, ginger beer, bitters, and Seagram ginger ale. We got mocktails, 16-ounce mocktails starting at $10. What? The pink chickens are temporarily off exhibit? I didn't get a personalized phone call about this. Wow, this looks weird. Well, hopefully they're back in action soon because we do miss our pink chickens. Well, that's going to be from SeaWorld Orlando for the SeaWorld 7 Seas Food Festival. We got to take a little tour around the park. Haven't been here in a little bit. But yeah, we got to try some cool food. Got to try the steak, the Banana Foster's beignets, which is like, wow, my number one. That was so good. But yeah, if you guys want to check it out, it's going to be here Thursdays through Sundays on select days through May. So yeah, thank you for SeaWorld once again for inviting us out, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!